Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Umuada Biafra. Welcome back to my English stroke Igbo class. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you about Ndi Uno family vocabulary. Okay, before I proceed, please subscribe if you have not done so and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my my video about herbs. Okay, the mbocha na nzacha, how to make your own mbocha na nzacha, the skin and your health mbocha na nzacha. Okay, so if you have not seen the videos, you should go back to I think about 4 videos on Igbo herbs. Okay, so let's proceed. Please introduce this channel to your friends and family. Okay, especially your friends and family in Biafra land. Okay, in schools. Okay, the children, the school children. Okay, because this is a central Igbo channel where we teach what the children expect in their various schools in Igbo language. Okay, the central Igbo. Okay, this will save you a lot of problems. Okay, you don't need to look for extra moral studies, extra teachers, okay, for this Igbo stuff. So because what we are doing here is trying to teach what they teach. They can use, the children can use in their school, not just anything. Okay, that's why we call it Central Igbo language. Okay, not just anything. Okay, so you introduce to your friends and families, okay, back home, okay, in Biafra land. Okay, let's proceed. So this Ndi Uno family vocabulary, I'm going to be teaching you, showing you the pronoun, the pronouns that can go with us family vocabularies. Okay, the pronouns, few of them, not all the pronouns. Okay, I will be showing you now, and I will teach you about pronoun and stuff like that, noun and verb. Okay, in all those in our grammar, under my grammar video. Okay, I will do that later in another video. Okay, but let me just quickly show you a few of them that you can use for this family vocab. Okay, mine in Igbo language is me. Okay, so you want to say my mother, my mom, my husband, dim, my wife, Nwoke. Okay, me. Okay, just the ones you can use for family vocab. Okay, you are singular. Gay, just one person, you mean gay. You are in Igbo language is gay. So you want to say mama, your mother, mama gay, your husband, digi. Okay, you are, we have you are as a one person singular and you are as a collective stuff, like many people. Okay, as you are, that's your people's mother or your mother. That's meaning not one person. Here is one person, you use gi, but this not one person, you use unu. Your mother or you people's mother, mama unu. You people's wife, Nwunye unu. Okay, something like that. So our number 4 is our is Anyi. Okay, number 3 is you. Okay, number 4 is our in Igbo language is Anyi. Anyi. Okay, if you want to say our mother, you say Mama Anyi. But one thing you need to know is that it's not the way you write English, you write Igbo. Okay, English says our mother, but in Igbo is Mama first before Anyi, before our. Mama first, mother first before our. But in English, you say our mother. Our comes first, while, okay? So it's like that. Our husband, Di Anyi, okay? Dia. Dia in Igbo language, that's the fifth one, dia. Dia in Igbo language is ha. Ha. So, dia, if you want to say their mother, you say Mama ha, their husband, Di ha, okay, like that. The sixth one is his or her, okay? His or her is ya. Ya in Igbo language, ya. Okay, you want to say his mother, Mama ya, okay? His wife, Nwunye ya, okay? Her mother, Mama ya, okay? Like that. Mama ha. Another thing is, let me teach you some things, tips, okay? Onye in Igbo language, Onye is a person. One person is Onye, but you want to say people, means Ndi, you use Ndi. Okay, this is another pronoun. Okay, you use in place of, you know, pronoun is what you use in place of a noun. That's what you use in place of a noun. That's the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, so Onye, that's a person. Okay, when you want to talk about people, you say Ndi. Okay, so like our people, our country or village people is Ndi. Ndi is when you want to talk about the people. Ndi Bani, if you want to talk about one person. Onye, a person, is Onye Bani, my country guy. Onye Bani, okay? My country people. Ndi Bani, my country or their country people. Ndi be unu, your as per plural, okay? Ndi be unu, okay? Ndi be ha, your country people. Ndi be ha, okay? Ndi be ha, ndi be unu. Ndi Bani, my country people. So you can say Onye Bani, that's my country person. That's one person. Onye Beha, their country person. One person. Onye Beunu, their country person. Okay? So, okay, that's it. You cannot say, if you say Ndi Bem means another thing. So you can only use, when you want to talk about your country or village people, you can only use Anyi, Ha, and Unu. Only these three you can use. When you say you put my country people or my country people, you cannot say Ndi Bem. If you say Ndi Bem in Igbo language, it means your immediate family. If you say Ndi Beya in Igbo language, it means his family. So you cannot use this for your country people. You can only use Ndi Bani, or Ndi Beha, or Ndi Bunu. Only these three. Okay? Another thing is Nwa. Nwa is some people people's dialect. It's wrong. It's not a central Igbo. When you want to spell Nwa in a central Igbo, child, okay, you say Nwa. This you must put this ni and here. Nwa. This nwa is not correct. This is a dialect, people's dialect. Some people speak Igbo like this, but the Central Igbo is nwa. Nwa. Because I saw this in the internet, but it's not correct. This is correct. Nwa. Okay? So when you're talking about villagers, you say our villagers. You cannot say my villagers. Our villagers or their villagers. Okay? I hope I'm making sense. Our villagers or their villagers. So this is the only thing you can use. Only our or their. Okay? You can use when you want to talk about villagers. But if you want to talk about somebody, a village person, you say Onye. Okay? Or a country, or your village people, you say Ndi Uno. Okay? Ndi Uno, Ndi Beha, Ndi Uno. Just these three. But when it comes to villagers, you can only use our villagers or their villagers. You cannot say my villagers. It's wrong. It's not the correct Igbo. My villagers, that's Ndi Uno. Unom. When you say Ndi Unom, because villagers is Ndi Uno. If you say Ndi Unom, it means your family members, your immediate family. Okay, it means another thing. Okay, so you can only use our or their. Ndi Anyi, you're my country people or my village people, you can only use Anyi, Ha, and Uno. Okay, that is it. So let's proceed. So that's how you add it here. Okay, let's proceed. So Ezina Olo is family. Okay, Ezina Olo is family. Okay, so when you're making a sentence, but you want to write it as a noun, you write family is, you put it together. Ezina Olo, Ezina Olo. Okay, so when you want to add why I make this pink everywhere is to show you where you put your pronoun. The pronoun I just taught you now. Okay, ha, mo, me, ya, unu. Okay, okay, where do you put that? Okay, so you put it here. Okay, the pronoun you cannot put in front. You not just anywhere you see you put. It will not be Central Igbo. Okay, so you cannot put anywhere you like. Okay, so that's why I make this mark. So where you put the pronouns. Okay, the family that you can use for family vocab. Okay. Okay, my family, that's ezinụlọ. My family or their family, ezinụlọ ha. Okay, my wife, nwunye m. So you put your pronoun here. Okay, so husband, di. So you put here. My husband, dim. Their husband, di ha. Okay, like that. Okay, child is nwa, nwa, not nwa, nwa. Okay, children, umu. You can say my children, umum. You add umu ha, umu unu. Okay, dad, dad is papa. Okay, papa. You can say papam. Okay, papa ha. Okay, mom, mama, mamam, mama ha. Okay, father, nna. Okay, nnam, nna ha. Okay, mother, nne, nnem, nne ha. Okay, sister, nwanne. Okay, brother, Nwanne, the same mother, the same father is Nwanne. Okay, brother, Nwanne. Okay, you can say my sister, Nwanne, their sister, Nwanne ha. Okay, like that. Uncle, Nwanne nne Nwoke, Nwanne nne Nwoke, Nwanne nna Nwoke. If you want to say my uncle, you say Nwanne nnem, you put here. After nnem, you put, or after nnam, you put Nwoke. Don't put at the end here. When you put at the end here is wrong. Okay? Nwanne, that's why I make this. So you observe this X, okay? Pink color, okay? That's where you put. You cannot put in front here. You put here the pronoun, it will not be correct. Okay? Nwanne nnem Nwoke, nwanne nnam Nwoke. Okay? You put here. Okay? Aunt, okay, or auntie, the way we call auntie. Okay? Nwanne nne Nwanyi. Remember? Okay, I didn't teach you about this. Female is Nwanyi. Female is Nwanyi. Male is Nwoke. So any male child, or whether small or big, or parents, so far is a male. Like when you want to fill your farm, they put male. They put male is Nwoke. They put female there, you put one. They put one. Okay, any male child or any female child is one or Nwoke. Okay, so you see here, uncle is referred to, is supposed to be Nwoke. Okay, so Nwanne nne Nwoke, you see, Nwanne nne Nwoke is uncle. Okay, Nwanne nna Nwoke. So if you want to say my, you now put nnam Nwoke, nnam Nwoke, or nnem Nwoke, Nwanne nnem Nwoke. Okay, like that. Auntie or aunt. Okay, Nwanne nne Nwanyi, or Nwanne nne nna Nwanyi. So Nwanne nnam Nwanyi. Okay. Niece nwa Nwanyi, that female. Okay, nwa Nwanyi, nwannem. If you want to say my niece, nwannem Nwoke, or nwa Nwanyi, nwannem Nwanyi. Okay, my sister or my brother. Nwannem Nwoke, my brother. Nwannem Nwanyi, my sister. Okay, nwannem Nwoke is my brother. Nwannem Nwanyi is my sister. So nwa Nwanyi, a lady, a female child of my nwannem Nwanyi, of my sister or of my brother. Okay, nwannem, you put m here, or nwanne ha Nwoke, or nwanne ha Nwanyi. So nwa Nwanyi. Okay, okay, let me see here. Nephew is nwa Nwoke, the male child of nwannem Nwoke, my sister, or nwanne Nwanyi, my brother, or nwanne Nwoke, my brother, nwanne Nwanyi, my sister. Okay, the male child of my sister. Okay, so my, you put nwa Nwoke, nwannem, or nwanne ha Nwoke, or nwanne ha Nwanyi. Okay, nwa Nwoke, nwanne ha Nwoke, or nwa Nwoke, nwanne ha Nwanyi. Okay, something like that. Okay, children in-laws. These children in-laws, your children, maybe you have 2 kids, a boy and a girl, and they are married. So the 2 in-laws, the your in-law from your son and your in-law from your daughter, when they come together, this has nothing to do with your immediate family. It has to do with in-laws alone. Okay, in-laws alone. When the 2 in-laws see themselves, the 2 in-laws from the in-law from your daughter and the in-law from your son, when they see themselves, they call themselves Ogo Ngoko. Ogo Ngoko. This guy is my Ogo Ngoko. Ogo Ngokom. My Ogo Ngoko means Ogo Ngokom. You put here. Ogo Ngoko ha. Ogo Ngoko unu. Okay, means the 2 in-laws. It has nothing to do with your parents, your father. It's only in-laws. Ogo Ngoko. They call themselves like this. Okay, Ogo is in-law. So Ngoko, all of them, they are in-laws. That's what it means. Okay, so son-in-law, Ndi Uno. So you want to say my son-in-law, Ndi Uno ha. Okay, daughter-in-law, Nwunye Nwa ha, Nwunye Nwa daughter-in-law. Sister-in-law, Nwanne Nwanyi. That's a lady, the female. Okay, the female. Okay, Nwanne Nwanyi, Nwunye or di. Nwanne Nwanyi di or Nwanne Nwanyi Nwunye. So if you want to say my sister-in-law, Nwanne Nwanyi di m or Nwunye m. Okay, or Nwunye ha. Okay, brother-in-law, Nwanne Nwoke Nwunye or di. Okay, the same. Okay, father-in-law, Nna Nwunye or Nna di. So you can say Nna dim, my father-in-law, Nna dim. Okay, mother-in-law, Nna Nwunye or Nna di. Nne Nwunye or Nne di. Okay, so my mother-in-law, Nne Nwunye m or Nne dim. Okay, in-laws, Ndi Ogo. Remember, Ndi is many people. If you want to say one person, one in-law, you say Onye Ogo. Remember, one person is Onye. People are Ndi. Okay, so Onye Ogo or Ndi Ogo. Okay, one person or 2. Kingsmen, Umunna. That's your father's relatives. Okay, your father's relatives are called Umunna. Okay, Umunna. Grandfather, Papa Nnukwu. Grandfather, Papa Nnukwu. You can say Papa Nnukwu, Papa Nnukwu ha. Okay, grandmother, Mama Nnukwu, Mama Nnukwu ha, Mama Nnukwu mu. Grandchildren, Nwa ha, Nwa mu. Okay, so another thing is grandson. Okay, my camera. Grandson, Nwoke. So if you want to say my grandson, you say Nwa m. you put here, you don't put here. You put Onwa nwa ha nwoke, nwa nwa mu nwoke, okay? Granddaughter, nwa nwa ha nwanyi, nwa nwa mu nwanyi. So nwa nwa nwanyi is granddaughter. Stepfather, nnọchinna. Stepfather, nnọchinna. Nnọchinnam. Stepmother, nnọchinnem. My stepmother, nnọchinnem, nnọchinne ha. Okay, nnọchi. Stepsister, nwa nwanyi nne or nwa nwanyi nna. So you say my stepsister, nwa nwanyi nnem if it's from your mother's side. If it's your father's stepsister, you say nwa nwanyi nnam. Okay? Stepbrother, the same. Nwa nwoke nnem or nwa nwoke nnam nna. Okay? Stepdaughter, nwa nwanyi di or nwa nwanyi di or nwa nwanyi nwunye. So if you want to say you say nwa nwanyi dim, or you say nwa nwanyi nwunye m. Okay? Stepson, nwa nwoke di or nwa nwoke nwunye. So nwa nwoke dim, nwa nwanyi dim. Okay, something like that. Okay, daughter is nwa nwanyi. So a female child, nwa nwanyi. So you can say nwa nwanyi mo, my daughter, nwa nwanyi m. Son, nwa nwoke, nwa nwoke m. First daughter, Ada. Actually, Igbos, every male child the female child in the Igbo land is called Ada. But inside the family, when you come inside your family, the first daughter is what we refer as Ada. Okay? When you come to family, okay? What we refer as Ada is the first daughter. Okay? When you say Ada in a family, they know that is the first daughter. Okay? First son is called Ndi Okpara. Ndi Okpara. Ndi Okpara. Okay? Ndi Okpara. Ndi Okpara ha. Okay? Mother relative. Mother relative. Ikwunne. Ikwunne. Okay? Father's relative. Umunna. That's the kinsman. Umunna. Okay? The kinsman. Villagers. Ndi Uno. Uno. Ndi Uno is villagers. Ndi Uno. So that's where I say you can only use Ndi Uno Anyi or Ndi Uno ha. Okay? Our villagers or their villagers. That's the only two things you can say. You cannot say my villagers. My Ndi Uno mu means your family. If you say Ndi Uno mu, it means your family. It means another thing. It's no more villagers. So you can only use Anyi or ha. Okay? Daughters of relatives. Umuada. So you can only use Umuada Anyi or Umuada ha. Only these two, okay? These two things. Villagers and the daughters of relatives. Umuada. Umuada Anyi or Umuada ha. Okay? Ndi Uno, villagers. Ndi Uno Unu or Ndi Uno Anyi. Okay? Or Ndi Uno ha. So the three things. Ndi be ha Anyi. Ndi be ha. Ndi bu Unu. Okay? These three things you can only use here also for villagers. Ndi Uno Unu. Ndi Uno ha. Ndi Uno Anyi. Okay? The same thing. Daughters of relatives. Umuada Anyi, Umuada Unu, Umuada ha. Okay? So relatives. Okay? relatives are ikwu na ibe. Ikwu na ibe. You can say my relatives. Ikwu na ibe m. Ikwu na ibe ha. Okay? Marriage. Alụmdi. Alụmdi na nwunye. Alụmdi na nwunye. My marriage. Alụmdi na nwunye m. Alụmdi na nwunye ha. Okay? Like that. Widow. Widow is Nwanyi isi mkpe. Nwanyi isi mkpe. A widower. Widower is Nwoke isi mkpe. Nwoke isi mkpe. That female and male. Nwoke isi mkpe. Nwanyi isi mkpe is widow and widower. Nwanyi isi mkpe is widow. Nwoke isi mkpe is widower. Nwoke isi mkpe. Isi mkpe. Okay? Okay? If you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay? And introduce this video to your friends. Okay? Ikwu na ibe is relatives. Okay? Marriage, alụmdi na nwunye. Okay? So if you like this video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. My next video is about Igbo market. I will teach you about Igbo markets in the next video.